So I have been using the Acer Triton 300 for past about 5 months now. Ever since I made the purchase, it's been my primary rendering machine. If you're wondering why I'm making the teardown, there is no problem whatsoever, but for doing gaming about 1 month, there is a huge spike in thermals as well as noises. So for making diagnosis, I was about to make the teardown, but why not make a YouTube video out of it? So if you're going to make a purchase of this laptop, it may be a bit helpful to you.